Hello. So Dada, Sam and Mama, we're going to go on an adventure to Matlock Beth. Just have to be careful on the stairs. Oh. No, you want to do it? Hello, Mama. Hi. Some nice cheese.
I'm approaching the field. We are now approaching Belcar.
Say hello. What's that sound?
Yeah. Oh. Baby bird. Yeah. You see it there? Yeah.
So last year we tried the cable car. It was a very fun and interesting experience. When you get inside the cable car, it's not just the view, but also the peacefulness, the fresh air. So today we will go up to the Heights of Abraham, but this time the hiking version.
Oh. The cable car lines are there. To the right of the cable car lines, presumably there's a path that leads up. Sam, Mr. Go. Oh. Do 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 do.
How about you?
I think we. Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Now it's
Have you got the umbrella because it's raining?
raining. Hibe.
Where the moss is growing. So what do you think that used to say? Obviously it's only half of it. It may have said Abraham. Abraham? I don't know.
Maybe farm?
That, I mean, yeah, that's a good guess. The farm. I see the top of the turret. It's feeding. It's drinking milk. Hello. Someone's sleeping. I'm awake. Looks really nice, that manor stroke castle on the hill there. And the sheep, you can just see their backs over there. They look like fluffy clouds. And you got this sheep here with its lamb. I think it's trying to scratch its back on the side there. You see it? Definitely a rabbit.
Mm-hmm.
These look nice. Have you seen these little red? Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Look, the view. Have you seen the view, honey?
Yeah.
You can see the whole village over there.
Uh-oh!
Has he found the microphone?
Yep. Wake up. Look. Hello.
Where's Mama? Is that her?
Mm-hmm.
So be careful. Yeah.
Take a picture. Look. Hi. Can you say
Hi.
hello? Hello. Let's take picture first.
Yeah, Dad. Yeah,
Dad.
my dad did it. Hi, Sam. Hi. In this way. Well, maybe we'll have to stand up doing it, because if you sit down, it's not going to like that. We're at the Abraham Heights, Matlock Bath,
Mm-hmm.
Derbyshire, England, United Kingdom,
Mm-hmm.
Europe.
When was the last time we went here?
It was on your birthday.
Uh-huh.
It was before Sam was born.
April.
I think it was
13.
actually on the day of your
Oh,
birthday.
12, okay.
And even though you were pregnant, you still did the tour through the.
Yeah.
And you made it through, okay?
What
I
do you
was
call
really
it? Like
worried
tower?
about you.
No.
Like a mine. It's an
Yeah.
old abandoned mine.
Yeah. And we tried that cable.
Mm-hmm.
Today, what we tried?
Hiking.
What did you have for breakfast today?
Toast with jam on it.
Well, I usually make you breakfast, right?
Are you in the shot? Okay, honey.
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like it's pointed at me and cutting you off.
No. What question do you want to ask? Just a random question.
So how would you best resolve the Middle East conflict? Okay, you ready?
Uh-huh.
What made you fall in love with me?
Your realness.
Can you give me an example?
So, at first, I thought you're just like playing and kind of just killing because it's pandemic that time, you don't have anyone to talk to. But then I accidentally find out that you were talking about me to your mom. Like, you mentioned about me to your mom when we were watching documentaries and movies. You shared your screen and I accidentally read you and your mom's conversation. You're like mentioning about me to her, and I felt like, oh, so he's real. It's like he's not fake. And you know what? You know, I love you. But one more thing is that you made a plan for us to see each other already. Like, you want me to be in your house as a visitor, as your visitor, something like that. So I feel like really your characteristics which is like realness, real, kind. That's the reason why I fall in love with you.
How about now? What now makes you?
Now,
Mhm.
well, you're still that guy that I fall in love with. And
Can you give me an
No.
example of the realness now?
now, you will say whatever you want to say.
Well, so I won't just tell people what they want to
Don't filter.
hear. I'll just say what I really think.
No, you surprise me a lot. You buy me small things that make me happy, like buying me flowers, buying me small things like small gifts, keychain. Love you.
Where do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Okay. 10 years from now, I'll see myself supporting you and Sam. In 10 years from now, I'll be a nurse, loving wife, and very supported mama to Samsung.
Oh.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
I'm not sure. Like, I'm quite satisfied with the way I do things right now. I'd like to become more professional in art restoration, be able to make my own frames, be able to make picture mount, just do more professional art restoration.
I can say that you are really good in art, honey.
It's a nice little trick. Like, if you got a dent in the painting, then you just go onto the back.
How about you? How about you, Sam? Oh, yay! If we could visit a place right now, where will it be?
Right now,
Yeah, just one.
just one.
Yeah, like you really want to go with me and Sam.
It's the obvious, like the wonders of the world, like the pyramids, the Statue of Liberty, Eiffel Tower. Probably getting tired again.
It's an okay day. So we didn't. Yeah, we didn't finish the video while we were sitting there because it started to rain. Because here it will rain for 5 minutes and then
Stop, and then the sun comes out.
I'm about to say that it's a nice day. It's a really good day. In the process, I just really need to trust you. I mean,
it's okay to question things, but sometimes I can be a little bit more experienced on things, but there are other areas where it's wiser for me to trust you. Everyone has their own areas of expertise.
That's one thing that I want to cultivate or do more and learn more. It's raining again.
Hello. It's a nice view here. So over here you've got the mining museum of Matlock. Just down there you can see that bridge there. You quite like taking photos and videos on that bridge. And if you breathe in, you can smell the fish and chips. This is Matlock Bath. We just climbed up and down the Abraham Heights. We've been in the cable car previously, but this time we decided to climb up. Oh. It's almost like the coast away from the coast here, in terms of the sort of shops that you see, the amusements. Costa's.
traditional fish bar. Well, that's for me.
Right. Traps that they have. Traps that they have. So. One over there.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching.
You got ya.